Hello and Namaste. This is Dr. Akansha Sharma from India. Today I'm here to talk on the topic how to improve your concentration or focus. If you're facing a problem of concentration, like your mind wanders while you're trying to concentrate, or you easily get distracted, your thoughts easily get distracted, then it's time to think. You need to improve your concentration. Now, first, while discussing how to improve your concentration, we need to know what is the cause, what is what is fogging your concentration or fogging your mind that is trying to concentrate. Okay. Like computer, we compare our mind with a computer. Let it be so for a while. When a computer slows down with use, our mind as well with accumulates the wear and tear, and it interferes with the processing of thoughts in your mind. Okay. Now, how to improve that? We'll come up to that. First, we need to know what are the causes that are what are the causes affecting our concentration. So, there might be physiological stresses like inflammation or injury to blood vessels. Especially if one is having a high blood pressure problem, it might cause injury to blood vessels that eventually leads to concentration and memory problems. And also abnormal protein accumulation or shrinkage of brain, which usually occurs with age. Okay, that also can be improved by healthy lifestyle, that will come to it later. But first we'll discuss the other causes that are causing accumulation, fogging of concentration, or the distraction of mind as well. Okay, now first is physiological stresses, then we come to underlying conditions like if somebody is having depression or sleep disorders, that might also cause concentration and memory problems. Now, some sleep disorders, if you like sleep apnea, some people have sleep apnea problem. They get up in the shifts and to breathe while sleeping, so they have that problem. It affects adversely the concentration. And then underlying causes we have discussed. Then some medications, some drugs that are given, like medically prescribed for allergies and underlying conditions like depression and all. Those medicines, those can also cause concentration problems. Yes. Now, sleep. We have discussed some of the factors, and also excessive drinking can cause concentration problems, because it impairs your thinking, and it also interferes with the sleep patterns, so it can affect your concentration adversely. And then sometimes we are overloaded with the information, like nowadays we have so many sources of information like TV, computers, emails, WhatsApps, text messages, and we are excessively overloaded with the information. So that affects the filtering of our thoughts, the filtering system of our thoughts. So it adversely affects our concentration if we are too much involved with social media, and too much involved in the social networking and all those things. Then it can affect our concentration adversely. Now, how to know that we are having concentration or focusing problem? You start with reading. Okay, reading books or magazines or journals, whichever thing you feel like you should start with, you can start with. Like you can take up a magazine and read it for 30 minutes. Fix a timer for about 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes it has to stop. And then you ask a question from yourself that, was my mind wandering while I was reading? If the answer is yes, then it's a high time to correct or to check your problem. Now, how to resolve or solve the problem of concentration? First is mindfulness. Now, when I say the word mindfulness, most of you must be thinking we have to sit in a right posture, we have to breathe right, and we have to think right. But mindfulness, exactly what mindfulness means. Anything done mindfully is mindfulness. If you're washing plates, even, you have to feel the warmth or coldness of the water you're touching while washing the plates. If you're writing, you have to mindfully do that. If you're reading, you have to mindfully do that. Anything done mindfully is mindfulness. Okay. Yeah, and also you have to mindfulness. If you're practicing meditation, that's very good. That's a very good thing to do, and it improves your concentration. And also mindfulness also, when you do meditation, it translates into your daily routine activities actually. So it's very effective while improving your concentration and focus, and attention span actually. And the next thing to improve your concentration is cognitive training. There are cognitive games available on network sorry internet, and you can get access to that, and you can play cognitive games, and you have to aim higher in that game. If you reach a certain level at that game, it's not it. You have to aim at a higher level, and that the thing to excel, that penetrates and translates in your daily routine activity, and that shows as your concentration improvement. Okay. And the third, last but not the least, your healthy lifestyle. Your healthy lifestyle includes better sleep pattern, where you have to take 7 to 8 hours proper sleep at night, and also it includes exercise. You don't have to lift up dumbbells and you have to do run on treadmills. If you're doing that, well and good, but you can start up with a brisk walking of about 15 minutes. That will help. If you walk in a park or garden or somewhere outdoors, if you walk for brisk walking for 15 minutes, it helps to improve your concentration. If you liked my video, please subscribe and hit a like button. Thank you. Keep